Welcome to Cube Math 1729 channel. So in this class we are going to discuss about two-digit multiplication for any two-digit number with the help of different kind of method. So under this I am going to take the first method as a smiley method. Actually smiley method, it is very easy process. We can easily multiply the two-digit number if you know the table from 1 to 9. Okay, few of them will ask the question, I don't know the table of 1 to 9, so what do you have to do? Okay, no problem. First you have to see the method of this smiley method. After that I will explain how to easily remember table also. So under this first one, smiley method, you have to consider any two-digit number. For example, I am going to take two-digit number as one of the number is 72. Okay. So another two-digit number you can take, any number you can take. For example, I am going to take it as 36. So you have to understand the steps properly, then it will be very easy to you all. Okay, what are the steps we are going to follow from this smiley method? The term smiley itself, we can get the result. So generally how we can able to denote the symbol of smiley, you know very well. I will draw and then show it. Easily if you want to draw the symbol of smiley, you will be draw like this. Yes, like a skull symbol. This is general smiley symbol. Yes, fine. Okay, so first step is you have to underline that unit place, that is ones place, then tens place separately. Okay, so first step is multiply unit place and unit place directly. So 6 into 2 you will get 12. Put directly. Like 7 into 3 you have to multiply directly, you will be getting as 21. Okay, if suppose while multiplying the resultant part comes a single digit, on that time we have to make it as a double digit. For example 3 into 2. So on the time we will be getting a 6, no? So 6 is a single digit result. So you should not consider as a single digit result. You have to make it as a two digit result. How to make? By adding 0 padding. 0 padding means before the number you have to add 0. Okay, for this problem there is no problem. Both number we are getting as two digit result, 21 and 12. So second step is draw the smiley symbol. So which I am going to draw like this. These two numbers are I part. Okay, like 2 and 3 are I. Fine. So multiply these two numbers separately. So here 7 into 6. So take and write 42. 2 into 3 will get 6. What I told 0, 6. So you have to add these two number 48. This resultant part you have to take and put in the middle place. Now add together 2, 9, 5, 2. So 2, 5, 9, 2 is the result of 72 into 36. Is it clear? So if you are keep on practice, you will be getting as the right solution. Okay, that same questions how you can able to do another method. Look at here, second method I am going to introduce here. The name of the method is lattice method. What it is? Lattice. So lattice method is, which it means by making the square box we have to find the solution. How to do? For lattice method, not only the two digit, we have to use n number of digit, multiply over n number of digit. But for understanding purpose I will take the same number 72 into 36. First you have to draw one square. Okay, you have to consider this will be row, this will be column. In that row how many digit is there? 2 digit. So that you have to make 2 row. In that column how many digits are there? 2 digits. So that you have to make 2 column. Which I made 2 row, 2 column. Fine. After that connect the diagonal of the box. So which I am going to connect the diagonal here. Okay. After that take and write in the row what are the number? 7, 2, column 3, 6. After that as usual normal multiplication only. So 7 into 3 will getting us 21. 3 into 2, 6. You put 0, 6. 6 into 7, 42, 6 into 2, 12. So easy process. After that, normal addition only. So 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0, 5, then 2. So 2, 5, 9, 2, we are getting the same result. It is very easy process. So we can easily get the result. Is it clear? Okay, next one. So if you want to go through Smiley and lattice method, you must know the minimum of tables like 6 to 9. You must know that. Okay, generally you don't know the tables of 6 to 9 and all. So you must know that some basic trick. Okay, for that also I have to ready to give some trick. So kindly follow that videos properly. I will give the trick to you all. Okay, for 6 to 10 we can easily find the values by using this trick. For example, in this trick you have to consider from your hand. For example, you have to see this hand. I will be considered 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am going to draw my hand here, left and right hand. Left and right hand, I will draw the object here. Try to assume, not that clear. So let you assume here. So I am going to draw my hand here. Let you consider, I will explain clearly to you. Okay, so which I drawn that left and right hand, you have to assume like this. You have to mark the number here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can able to find any table from 6 to 10 with the help of left and right hand. Okay, how to find? So we can go with 6 table onwards. Each tables I will give 2 example. I am not going to do all the things. Each tables I will do 2 set of example. Remaining things you have to practice in our home. For example, I am going to take 1 minute. So now it is clear now. For example, I will take 6 into 7. What is the result of 6 into 7? If I am multiplying 6 into 7, what I am going to get? Very easy. Look at here. So with the help of some other object like a pencil or pen. Okay. So see here. I am going to, what number we are having? Just you have to encircle. Here 6. Here 7. So encircled no 6 and 7. So in that encircled, how many digits are there? So encircled digit you have to consider as a tens place. Encircled digit you have to consider as a tens place, which it means. So here 1, 2, 3. Totally how many digits are there? 3. So it is a tens I told. So 3 means 3 into 10, 30. That remaining non-encircled digits are unit place. Okay, in that left hand how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Yes, here in this remaining 1, 2, 3 is there. So left hand the remaining is encircled 4, right hand remaining encircled is 3. So 4 into 3 what you will get? 12. So you have to put 42. So 6 into 7 you will get 42. Is it clear? Okay, I repeat one more example. For same 6 table, 6 into 9 I will take. 6 into 9 I am going to take. Very easy process. Here 6. Okay, I will encircled. Here 9. So I have to cover up to 9. Okay, including 9. So encircled part totally how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 part. That is answer I told. That is tens. So 5 into 10 you will get 50. So this is tens. The remaining, the non-encircled part is ones. So how many? Left side is 1 2 3 4, right side only 1. So 4 into 1 you will get 4. So you have to add 50 plus 4, 54. So 6 into 9 you will get 54. You got the result? It's clear? It is like a same process you have to apply for 7 table, like 8 table, 9 table, 10 table. Okay, so you have to practice in your home. If you are having any doubt, mention a comment and then I will try to clear your doubt. Fine. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.